the students, welcome back to the classes. Today we are going to start a new topic that is the journal entries or the adjustment of goodwill. When a partner is retiring from the business, then he or she will get his share or her share of goodwill in the firm. Like when a new partner was admitted into business, he was bringing goodwill for the partners, which was divided among the partners in their sacrificing ratio, because they have earned the name or reputation for the business, so they were getting compensated. Now when a partner goes out of business, he or she will get his or her share of goodwill, and that will be given by the partners in their gaining ratio, because the partner who is retiring will give off his share to the existing partners. That means the remaining partners will gain, and the amount of gain that they will get, they have to compensate that with the amount of goodwill to the retiring partner. So what we have to do, we simply have to credit the account of the partner who is retiring by the amount of goodwill of his share of goodwill, and that will be divided among the partners who are gaining, or debited among the partners who are gaining. Like in question number 16a, there are three partners L, M, and N who are sharing profits in the ratio of 4, 3, and 2. M retires. M retires means the partner with 3 by 9 share retires, and the goodwill is valued at 1,08,000. So his share will be 1,08,000 multiplied by 3 upon 9, that is 36,000 worth of goodwill is his share. No goodwill account appears as yet in the books of firm. L and N will share profits in the ratio of 5:3. So we have got old ratio, we have got new ratio, and we have got the goodwill. We have to pass journal entry for goodwill. So the very first thing that I have already told you, that we have to find M's share of goodwill. That is 3 upon 9 of 1,08,000. That means he will get 36. M's capital account will be credited by 36,000. And this amount has to be given by L and N in their gaining ratio. You have got the old ratio, you have got the new ratio. So we will find the gaining ratio as new minus old. So it will be 13:11. The gaining ratio between the partners will be 13:11. For L you will do 5 upon 8 minus 4 upon 9, and for N you will get 3 upon 8 minus 2 upon 9. The gaining ratio will be 13:11. That means the goodwill of M, that is 36,000, will be given to M by L and N in 13:11. That means 19,500 से L को डेबिट करोगे and 16,500 से N को डेबिट करोगे. The entry will look like L's capital account debit, N's capital account debit to M's capital account. Similarly, in question number B, 16th B, there are three partners Ashok, Rakesh, and Mukesh who are sharing profits in the ratio of 2:2:1. On 1st April 2018, their goodwill was 3 lakh rupees. They bring no account for it in the books, and books में goodwill नहीं show हो रही है. On this date, Rakesh retired. Rakesh is the second partner who has 2 by 5 share. So his share in goodwill will be 2 by 5 of 3 lakh, that is 1,20,000. Rakesh's share of goodwill is 1,20,000. That means his account will be created by 1,20,000. Now this has to be given by Ashok and Mukesh in their gaining ratio. And we have studied, if there is no other information, the remaining ratio between the partners will be the new ratio as well as the gaining ratio. So the remaining ratio, that is 2:1, will be the gaining ratio between Ashok and Mukesh. Rakesh will get 120, his capital will be created by 1,20,000, and that will be given by Ashok and Mukesh in 2:1. That means the entry will be Ashok's capital account debit 80,000 rupees, Mukesh's capital account debit 40,000 rupees, and to Rakesh's capital account 1,20,000. Goodwill of 1,20,000 to Rakesh will be credited to his account, and that will be debited by Ashok and Mukesh. That will be debited by Ashok and Mukesh in their gaining ratio, which is 2:1. Now, in the last two questions, it was mentioned goodwill doesn't appear in the books. But there can be question when goodwill is already appearing in the books, and this kind of question we have already discussed in admission. Like if there is goodwill already appearing in the books, that goodwill will be written off between the partners in the old ratio. That will be divided right off between the partners, between the old partners in old ratio. Like in question number 18b, there are three partners A, B, and C who are sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 2 is to 2 is to 1. C decided to retire. That means the partner with 1/5 share decided to retire, and on this date, goodwill of the firm is valued at 2 lakh. C is retiring, he will get 1 by 5 share of the 2 lakh amount. That means he will get 40,000, and it will be given by A and B in their gaining ratio, which is 2 is to 2, yani equally. C will get 40,000 piece by A and B equally. Pass the entries when goodwill account is already appearing in books at 1 lakh 50. Now there is already a goodwill appearing in the books. So as we have discussed, if there is any goodwill appearing in the books, that is 1 lakh 50,000 in this question, that will be written off between the partners in old ratio. The first entry will be A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit, C's capital account debit to goodwill account. That 1 lakh 50,000 will be debited between partners in their old ratio, that is 2 is to 2 is to 1. A, B and B will be debited by 60,000 each, C will be debited by 30,000, and goodwill account will be created by 1 lakh 50,000. Coming to the next part, now as C is retiring, he will get his share of goodwill. The firm's goodwill is 2 lakh, he will get his share, that is 1 by 5 of 2 lakh, he will get 40,000, and this 40,000 will be given equally by A and B. A debit, B debit to C, okay? And 40,000 will be given by A and B equally, 20,000 by A and 20,000 by B. So that's it, and in the next video we will discuss further more adjustments of goodwill. Till then, take care and have a great day.